Hi Jane, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I spoke with Lucy the other day and she gave me the go-ahead to go ahead and shoot this video over to you. The reason I'm making this video for you is because I was searching for laser hair removal med spas in your area and noticed that you weren't really anywhere to be found. So I wanted to show you pretty much where you sit for top keywords and essentially how to bring in more clients to your business. So the two things that I'm going to talk about are content and backlinks. So when it comes to content, that's all the words and photos on your website. We see that you have very little content on your website. You have plenty of photos, but as far as the wording goes, Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. And then of course, like the back pages are supposed to have lots of content as well. I would suggest getting all your photos optimized. So when we right click this photo, we can see it's saved as image 8105. So when Google is crawling your site, that's what they're going to read. So it doesn't really tell them anything about what your site is about. So definitely want to get your photos saved as keywords and get more keyword-rich content added to your homepage. So taking a look at your top competitor, Euphoria, we see that they have probably about 500 words on their homepage. So, I mean, it's nice, but definitely very beatable. I'd say go at least 1,500. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So when we search for the top keyword, laser hair removal Bakersfield, the first thing we're going to see are the paid ads. Below that is the map pack. And right below that is the organic section. So backlinks are how you're going to rank here in the organic section. And a backlink, simply put, is just one site linking to another site. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug in Euphoria, we see they have 110 referring domains or websites, giving them 515 backlinks. We see they have they're being found for about 3,500 keywords, and they get a couple thousand visitors to their site every month. Taking a look at yours, we see that you have 22 referring domains, giving you 99 backlinks. You are being found for 34 keywords, and you have about 122 visitors a month. When it comes to backlinks, I will say that not all links are created equal. There are spammy backlinks and there are trustworthy ones. So the way you can tell here on Ahrefs is the UR and the DR. So this represents the strength of your site and the trust. So we see that a 2.1 is pretty low trust. Definitely want to get some of those links disavowed and get more trustworthy links pointing back at you. Another thing with backlinking is you want to get relative backlinks. So having another med spa in, say, Georgia or maybe Texas linking back to your website is going to be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows that you guys are not in the pizza industry. So definitely get relative trustworthy links pointing back at you. Let's take a look at the keywords really quick so you can get an idea of volume and what position you're in. Oh, 1 second. Okay. So we can see that there are quite a few people, this is the average search volume, searching for Skinsations. So that's good. You guys are pretty popular. When we take a look at more like niche specific keywords like medical spa Bakersfield, there's only 30 searches, but you're in the 33rd position for that. Cool sculpting Bakersfield, there's 100 searches for that. You guys are in the 42nd position. Taking a look, we'll just search for laser hair removal. We see these are the 3 keywords for laser hair removal. There's about 300 searches a month. We see you're in the 48th position, 42nd, and 47th. So definitely not being found for these top keywords. You are on the about 4th and 5th page for those. And when I typed in botox, there were the one keyword for botox in your area is actually you're not being found for. So it would say like botox Bakersfield. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, so Botox Bakersfield, there's 150 searches for that you're also not being found for. So just to give you an idea of the amount of people searching every month for those specific services, that, you know, if you're not on the first page, people are pretty much not going to find you for them. So definitely a lot of business you're missing out on. Just to do a recap for you, I would suggest getting at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. Definitely making these all individual pages because you want to rank them individually. Maybe even getting these moved over to a gallery and, of course, getting them optimized like I had suggested earlier. Then you want to go ahead and get relative trustworthy backlinks pointing back at your website, and getting the bad ones disavowed. That's it. That's all I have for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope y'all have a great day.